everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really fun makeup look using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually have not used this one yet because it has a lot of green hues in it. It's super bold, so I will be doing a look with that for you guys today. Also going to be using this glitter by Inglot. Very golden, very pretty. And I'm also going to go on top with a little bit of the liquid glitter liner by NYX as well. And other than that, I will link everything else that I used. That was basically the main points in the products that I was going to use. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this makeup look. First step, per usual for myself, I like to fill in my brows. As you can see, I'm not going in any specific way. I'm just literally filling them in, making sure that I have no empty spaces. And then I really focus on the cleanup more than anything, not so much how I'm going to fill it in to begin with, because that can always be fixed. Now we're going to prime our eyes. I like to stay within the same brand, so since I'm using a Morphe palette, I'm using also their eye primer. And you want to make sure that you are getting the primer all over the eyes, especially up where the brows are. So for my third transition color, I mixed Inside Job and Busted together, and I built that up little by little. Since it's very dark, you want to make sure it stays nice and low. That way it's easier for you to blend towards the end. I also went back in with a smaller brush just to make sure that I got a little bit more color and that it looked more concentrated. I did get a bit of fallout, but if you grab a big fluffy brush and just swipe that off, it comes right out. Now for my favorite part, the glitter, of course. Unfortunately, the Inglot glitter that I used did not stick that well. That's why I went back in, like you'll see in the video, with the liquid glitter by NYX. And once I mixed those two together, it gave a really pretty gold shimmery color. So that's another trick when you're trying to get your glitter to stay on. It also helps it from not transferring over to the lid too much. Now with my concealer, I used the ProLongwear NC 25 by MAC. As you can see, I really like to do a lot of the cleanup with the concealer itself. That way you don't do too much work. And I'm also going to bake that in to make sure that it doesn't crease or move. it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. Please make sure that you hit like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Premier Artistry, and let me know what looks you would like to see next, and stay tuned for a new video.